Hello, my name is Agata Tudry. I'm a math department chair here at Brook Catholic, and here with me we have other members of math department. Ms. Deborah Long, she teaches Algebra 2 Honors, Algebra 2 Geometry, College Algebra and Statistics. Mr. Leon Jonko teaches Algebra and Geometry, and I teach Algebra 2 Regions, Pre-Calc, Pre-Calc Honors, Calc 1, Calc 2, AP Stats. We are following New York State Education Department curriculum. Our requirements for graduation is 3 math credits. To say more about math, we of course offer 3 Regions courses, Algebra 1, Geometry and Algebra 2, that are required for graduation requirements. And we offer them at 3 different levels, non-Regions, Regions and Honors. We also offer a variety of college courses with Pre-Calc and Pre-Calc Honors. College Algebra for St. Thomas Aquinas College that earns students 3 credits. Calc 1 and Calc 2 for SUNY Orange that earns students 4 credits each, and AP Statistics. And we are, to be honest, we are looking forward to meeting our new freshmen next year, and thank you very much for your attention.